that was a start, and we're right with the throttle. Today I'll be doing the final drive and stuff. A little bit of welding the rear end to finish up. Just make sure everything's secure before I take it up the trail. Yeah, so it's pretty much finished though. Which is pretty loud. But that's okay. This is the beast. Figure it weighs around 500 pounds. Oh, there's my baby girl. Today is her second birthday. Lily! Hi, baby girl. You jumped in? Yeah, jumped in. You for a drive? Okay. So yeah, I started out as a Hammer 1cc go-kart. And they converted it to a, well, there would be some more